Hey YouTube, how is it going? Welcome to my channel Coding Beetle. So today we are going to learn about reference tag. Means with reference tag how you can explore different websites. For example, let's write a tag to make you understand. A is the reference tag usually, and within A whatever you write in href is the attribute. It gives the reference of the website in which you want to go. Whatever you write in href will be the website's address. So here let's go to Google. For Google you have to write the full address, means https://www.google.com, and you have to close this tag. Before closing, let's write Google and close the tag here. Now let's move to the website and see what it shows. See, here the Google is showing, and let me zoom this a little bit more. See, the Google is showing in a different color with the underline. That means now it is linked with another website. So let's click here and see what happens. Sorry, my net is slow. Here we reached Google. Now let's add some more addresses, like and right here let's save it and run to the browser. Not here. Let's go back, refresh. See, actually I used this Google before, because just for practicing. When it is clicked once, it will be of different color, but here we haven't clicked Yahoo. After going to Yahoo, when we will come back, you can see that it will turn to purple. Let's click and wait for some moment. It's not there yet, but then also you can see that after clicking, the Yahoo's color has changed from blue to purple. So like this you can link different websites to your website. Like suppose you want to link your website with your Facebook account or your Insta or your WhatsApp or anything you can link. You can link your website with any website, and this reference tag helps you to link your website to different website. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment on this video to motivate me for uploading more videos for you. Thank you very much, and please say if you want to know something more from me.